Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening the malma type of bed because if you need help opening it or assembling it. So you need a normal screwdriver or a screw gun. It's the fastest way to do it. I'm using a normal screwdriver. It took a long time. You gotta remove the screws for this reason. So this wrench comes with it, and you can use it to do it. You have to turn it counterclockwise. So you have to turn it counterclockwise, and it should do it. So once you turn both of them counterclockwise equally, it should come out. And this is me cleaning up the entire room because it was an entire mess. Here is our bedroom. It's all cleaned up. And it looks cool down here. So it looks cool down here, doesn't it? And then we pushed it in.
Finally, it's done. I got it in. Now I can close the door. Oh, great. There's a cat in the way. But now I can close the door. Yeah!
So we'll just keep this stuff here. The truck should come one day, but it will come and we can put the pieces in. And of course, I'll show you a video how to assemble it in the future, which is also today. As soon as this video is published, there's going to be another video being made of me assembling